Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video I'm going to compare the Xiaomi 11i versus Realme GT Master Edition. So which phone is the best option to buy right now? So I'm getting plenty of comments friends on this one particular topic that recently Xiaomi did launch 11i series, right? So after the launch event I'm getting so many comments only with the Realme GT Master Edition. So is the Realme GT Master Edition is the best option or Xiaomi 11i is the best option? That's what I'm going to clarify all the doubts in this one single video. And one more quick note. Definitely friends, in the first sale I'll try to order one of the phones, Xiaomi 11i or maybe 11i Hypercharge. I'll try to order, so make sure to stay tuned by hit that subscribe and like button, and don't order in the first sale. Wait for the second sale always. Yes, even if there is no discount and nothing at all, try to wait for always second sale, because in first sale I will be able to buy it and I'll be able to test it within 1 week. I'll be able to give the result, not even 1 week, maybe 2 or 3 days. So please wait for the second sale, don't rush and buy in the first sale. The price of the Xiaomi 11i starts about 24,999, and you can actually get a 1500 rupees discount by paying with a prepaid discount. So doesn't matter what kind of bank you do use. So even if it is a debit card and credit card, you can actually get the 1500 rupees discount. So right now let me do the calculation and quick math. So overall 24,999 minus 1500 discount. So 23,500 is the price of the Xiaomi 11i device. In case if you have the SBI cards and everything, if you try to do the maximum, if you try to use SBI credit card and pay in the EMI transaction, then you can actually get the price close to 21,499. This is the lowest price you can actually get the Xiaomi 11i. On the Realme GT Master Edition at this moment, there is an offer going on promotion, 3,000 rupees discount using the debit and credit card. So 25,999 minus 3,000, so which makes 23,000 is the price. So 23,000 for the Realme GT Master Edition, and Xiaomi 11i 24,499 or maybe 22,000, somewhere around that. But definitely price point, both phones are pretty close after using the offers. So for this price, what the difference between these both phones? So which phone makes a lot of sense to buy? So first let's take a look at the processor. In terms of the processor wise, Xiaomi 11i has got the Dimensity 920 processor, and Realme GT Master Edition has got the Snapdragon 778G processor. So I've been using this Realme GT Master Edition for about I think more than 2 months of time, and it's been really very good experience using this Snapdragon 778G. Not only in this phone, I do have a lot of I think 2 more phones with the same processor. So overall it's perfect processor, stable, no issues, no throttling, not any kind of eating issues, pretty good. And regarding the benchmarks, you can actually get up to, let me show you, it goes up to 5,40,000, 5,60,000 regarding the benchmark wise. Whereas the Dimensity 920 has got the benchmarks kind of close to 4,50,000, 4,60,000. That is the benchmarks of the Dimensity 920 chipset. So there is a difference of 1 lakh difference will be there between these two processors. So maybe in case if you want to take, you can take a look at the benchmarks. But overall regarding the display, so regarding the performance and benchmark wise, maybe Realme GT Master Edition, but in the real life day-to-day testing will be different. Once I get hands on, I'll try to test the Dimensity 920 processor. So no comments on but that processor particular thing. Next thing is about the display wise. The AMOLED panel, which has got 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 certified and 700 nits of brightness, 1200 nits of peak brightness levels, and 6.67 inches of screen size. Gorilla Glass 5 protection which the phone has got, and Super AMOLED in this Realme GT Master Edition, 120 Hz, 1000 nits of brightness, 6.43 inches. So in the display wise, which display is really good? So in case if you want small display, choose the Realme GT Master Edition. If you want the big display, choose the Xiaomi 11i, which has got 6.67 inches screen size. That's pretty big display I would say at this moment, and which also support HDR10 Plus certified. That's also possible in the Xiaomi 11i. So slight advantage for the Xiaomi 11i, little bit because of big screen and HDR10 Plus, and not all the users like the big screen, so it depends. And next thing is about the weight of the phone, which is about 207 grams and 170 and 180 grams. Because of less battery capacity, the weight is really less in the Realme GT Master Edition. That's something you should know. And next thing is IP52 resistant, I think IP53. Dust and splash protection is also present in the Xiaomi 11i. That's pretty good. Not only that, hybrid dual SIM card. So there is an SD card expansion you can actually have in the Xiaomi 11i. That's very advantage friends for me, because I did like this kind of memory expansion slots every time. That's a very biggest advantage for the Xiaomi 11i device. And that expansion supports up to 1 TB SD card as well. In case if you want to buy 1 TB, that is also supported. And the battery is of 5160 mAh of battery, 67 watts charging which can take roughly, I think, 35, maybe not 35 minutes, I think 40 minutes, I think so. 40 minutes of time the Xiaomi 11i takes about to charge, because I do have the Poco F3 GT with me. Phone also takes, Poco F3 GT takes about 40 to 42 minutes. That's what I'm expecting depending on this battery capacity and same type of 16 watts charger. But Realme GT Master Edition takes only less than 30 minutes, sometimes 28 minutes, 29 minutes to charge 100%. Yes, exactly. But battery backup will be definitely very, very good in the Xiaomi 11i. Maybe 1 hour extra screen on time you can actually expect from the Xiaomi 11i device. So battery wise, battery backup wise, Xiaomi 11i has good advantage. Wi-Fi 6, both phones are supported Bluetooth 5.2. Dual stereo speaker setup, which is fantastic in the Xiaomi 11i. So that's also pretty good advantage. And camera wise, nothing much huge difference. Maybe 108 megapixel slight advantage, because this is the same sensor which is present in the Mi 10i. So that's also another good advantage regarding the camera. So camera wise also slight advantage, and UFS storage 2.2, because both phones are having same kind of UFS storage 2.2. Nothing much huge difference. And final conclusion is that what are the advantages of the Xiaomi 11i? So first, let's talk about the price. Low price if you try to use all the discount cards and everything. Yes, it is kind of overpriced, but still this less than the Realme GT Master Edition. And next advantage is SD card support, memory card is there, and dual stereo speakers. That's also fantastic. IR blaster is present in this device. And next thing is about the more battery capacity. That's also pretty good in this device. HDR10 certified, and slightly big display, and 108 megapixel camera, which is slightly better than the Realme GT Master Edition. And what are the advantages in the Realme GT Master Edition? In this device, Snapdragon 778G processor, which is slightly more powerful than the Xiaomi 11i device, Dimensity 920 little bit. That's only one advantage in the Realme GT Master Edition at this moment. That's what I did find. In case maybe if you want, you can add the small screen display as well into the consideration. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones. Overall, if you ask me which phone will I suggest, so right now I did not use Xiaomi 11i device, right? So even I am not sure about which phone, because these just as specifications, just to give a clear little bit kind of idea on the top, that's it. But once I start using the device, then I'll be able to get to know all the advantages and disadvantages. Then I can actually talk a lot about the Xiaomi 11i. So this video is about wait for the second sale and don't buy in the first sale. And this is just a specifications comparison. If you want better camera, SD card support, dual stereo speaker setup, and maybe go for the Xiaomi 11i, slightly more better battery backup. That's what I would say, definitely in my opinion. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, more updates. Bye.